Alright guys, so we're about to remove the front bumper on this Model 3. It's a custom front bumper from Unplugged Informants. We actually have a few issues with it, so maybe I'll address that in this video or in a later video, but we're just going to show you how to remove a bumper because it's pretty much the same for all Teslas. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is remove the front tub. There's one bolt here, there's two bolts here, two bolts in here, and then if you pull this up, which is basically just going up like this, and pulling it off. There's two more bolts right here.
And up. Yeah. Away it goes. Give me this. I want this.
This is gonna go inside the car because it's easiest to turn the wheel all the way to one side so that you can access down here. And down here, you're going to have to undo some bolts. So we're moving it this way. That way we have tons of access inside of here. On both sides of the bumper, there's going to be 3 bolts up here and 1 nut down here. So you're going to take a tool and remove this nut.
These nuts?
It'll be inside of here. I'm gonna throw up a picture on screen right now with the bumper removed, and you can see exactly where that nut is so you could reach in and get it. So this is the bumper taken off, and you can see we have a bolt coming out right here, and that's where the nut would have been that you're trying to undo, which is a 10 mil. Cool. There's one bolt right here. The farthest bolt that's holding this in is what you're going to want to remove. From there's 2 bolts up here. You're just going to want to loosen them, not remove them, and you do that on both sides. Of course, before you do this, you might have to loosen any clips that are being held in right here along the wheel lining. There's 6 bolts right here. You're going to want to take those out from the bumper to the wing right here. There's clips. You're just going to want to be careful removing them off. You don't want to break any clips, so just carefully pulling it off. I'll show you what that looks like right now. What are we doing now?
With the light,
Look like this.
fog lights, and also sensors.
If you have an older Model 3, you'll have sensors, and you need to unplug those. They're on the left side of the car if you're facing it. From there, you should be able to just pull the bumper off like this,